Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Sagittarius. This is going to be for last 10 days of September. Sagittarius people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. On this side, I am going to see your person's energies towards this relationship. Okay. On the other hand, I am going to see your energies in this relationship. In center, I am going to see your mutual energy and what is the future outcome of this relationship. Okay. 7 of Pentacles. Someone is being very money focused. Your person is being very money minded right now. Okay. 7 of Swords. Page of Wands. Let's talk about your energies. Queen of Swords. Queen of Cups. 6 of Pentacles. The current situation is 2 of Pentacles. The future outcome is the Hierophant. Let's just clarify why this 7 of Swords is here. Why this 7 of Swords is here. Queen of Pentacles. We have 3 queens in this reading. Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, Queen of Pentacles. Okay. With this Queen of Pentacles, I feel your person is very kind and nurturing and very wise in terms of spending money. Okay. And they know how to handle or how to tackle their money things. But with the 7 of Swords, your person is feeling stepped back. Okay. Maybe they are looking for some other ways to earn money, or they want to, they are hiding something from you. That's what I'm sensing now, Sagittarius, with the 7 of Swords. With the 7 of Pentacles, I feel your person is sad. Yes, your person is sad and they are not looking for any relationship kind of thing right now. That's what I'm seeing. And with the 7 of Pentacles, your person is also cherishing their earnings, whatever they have earned so far, and they are they have hold their money very tightly. With this Queen of Pentacles, that's what I'm seeing. And with this 7 of Swords, your person feels that you are, maybe they feel that you are not the one with whom they would like to spend their rest of their life. And it could be for some of you, not all of you. Okay. And they are being very much conscious about their money, and that's why they have hold their money very tightly right now. Okay. They have a tight hold on their material things in life, whatever they have earned, and they are seeing their earnings, whatever they have earned in life. Okay. I feel your person is kind of very money-minded person, or maybe they have done a lot of hard work to gain this. That's why they are very much money-minded, I could say, or maybe they have seen some bad phases in life. That's why they are very much focused, or they are very closed when it comes to their money thing. Okay. With this Page of Wands, your person is, although they are money minded person, But with this page of wands, I feel your person is also very energetic. Okay, your person is also believe in taking action. your your person thinks that your person is someone who is doer, not talker. That's what I'm feeling. They believe in doing things, they believe in achieving goals, they believe in taking actions. That is what I'm feeling with this page of wands for your person. Your person's energy is like that only in this reading. Okay, now let's talk about your energies in this relationship. What is happening with you, Sagittarius? What is happening with you? With this Queen of Swords, I feel that you are ready to cut people out from your life. Okay, it could also happen that you had been with some negative people in your life and you want to cut them out of your life, because I feel that you have emotions for your person and you are kind of very sad without your person. Okay, although your person is very money minded person, but on the other hand you are someone who has lot of compassion and lot of romance and lot of emotion for your person with this Queen of Cups, and you are not going to take any kind of nonsense from any other person about your relationship and about your person. That's what I'm seeing right now. To you are also not afraid to take any action towards your person. That's what I'm also feeling with this Queen of Swords. You are being very kind and very down to earth with this Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. And with this Six of Pentacles, I feel that you are someone who gives all the who loves to distribute their gifts with the other persons. That's what I'm feeling. Okay, with the Six of Pentacles, I feel that you believe in sharing. Okay, and I'm also feeling that you were the only one who was giving in this relationship, and your person was being very money minded, and with this Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacle, and with this Seven of Swords, I feel your person wanted to move out from this relationship. But on the other hand, I feel that you were ready to take any action towards your person in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling with this Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. Now let's see what is the mutual energy of both of you in this relationship. I feel it's your person who is holding very tightly their money with their I mean they have money. They are very money minded person. I would say they are very money minded person. They want to hold their money as tightly as they can. They do not want to lose a single penny from their pocket. That's what I'm feeling. And if I talk about you, I'm feeling that you are the one who is holding your material things as well as your heart also. You have a lot of control in your emotions with this Four of Pentacles. I'm seeing that it's you who is holding this coin with next to your heart. It means you are saving your heart and saving your money, and that's a very good decision. But on the other hand, I'm seeing your person is being very money focused right now, very much materialistic right now. They have hold their money. They have hold their money so tightly that they do not want to lose a single penny. Okay. The future outcome of this reading is the Hierophant. With this Hierophant, I feel that your person is definitely going to realize their mistakes, or I won't call it mistake, but they are ignoring your love, they are ignoring your emotions. So I feel that in future they are definitely going to seek some help and going to seek some healing from some people, and they'll be consulting with some counselors, or some counseling is also seeing there in relationship of yours. Okay, with this Hierophant, I feel that it could also happen for some of you that you are going to meet some people and you are going to talk to some people about your relationship thing, and they are going to offer you some help. Okay, So we have Earth sign with this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Seven of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and Six of Pentacles. We have water sign as well here, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio with this Queen of Cups, and yes, we have air sign also here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Swords and Queen of Swords, and we have Taurus as well in this reading, and we have fire sign also, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, now let's see what is the overall outcome of this reading for Sagittarius. Overall outcome for Sagittarius. Okay, Knight of Pentacles, and bottom of the deck we have the Empress. With this Knight of Pentacles, somebody is moving towards the other person, or it could also happen that both of you are moving towards your own career and your own financial things. Okay, and I'm also seeing with this Empress that somebody and both of you are definitely, it could also happen that both of you are moving towards each other. Okay, because you have emotions for your person, and somehow they will also realize this thing sooner or later, that you are the only person who can offer them this Queen of Cups. So it could also happen for some of you that your person is coming towards you with an offer in coming time. Okay, and both of you are going to nurture this relationship as best as you can. Okay, now let's see what divine angel wants to tell you. One divine angel message for my Sagittarius people. One divine angel message for my Sagittarius people. One divine angel message for my Sagittarius people. Okay, a year from now, maybe all these things will take a year. Okay, for some of you it could also happen that your person will realize it that you were the one. As I just said, that they will sooner or later they will realize it, that you were the one who was ready to give their emotions in this relationship. And angels are saying that a year from now, all the situation is going to be settled down for you. Okay, so that was the reading for Sagittarius people. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.